everyone. Welcome back to Trybrarians. We are your librarians. I'm Gabby.
And I'm Claire.
And January is National Hobby Month. So each episode of Trybrarians this month has been trying something new that could turn into a hobby. And today we are making some Hobbit Door Wreaths.
Yes. We're going to be playing with a couple different hobby mediums. We've got paint, we've got floral design, and then, of course, Lord of the Rings can definitely be a hobby if you're into that.
Who isn't?
Right? So we're going to start off with a couple of things that we need. We just have like circles cut out of poster board or foam core.
Yeah, foam core.
It's a little bit thicker. And we went through and we just like painted it a solid color, and now we're going to add extra things to it.
Some door-like details.
Yeah. We have a grapevine wreath here. And then we have a bunch of like silk florals, big fruits, little birds. Just a bunch of things that are going to make our fun Hobbit doors that much more exciting. So I guess we're going to go ahead
and you can add whatever accessories you want,
Exactly.
which is the fun part, and like make your Hobbit door any color you want.
Yeah. So let's go ahead and get started with that. I'm going to set my wreath off to the side.
Can you hold my paint?
Yeah. Maybe.
You maybe should have pressed these. That was so much easier. Are they gonna stay down?
We're gonna
find out. Okay. Alrighty.
So yeah, let's just go ahead and decorate these.
Decorate.
Okay. So I want to do one of those like the fun little filigree swirly thing.
Kind of like, I think I was pulling some up.
Yeah.
I can't do it by myself, but like that. Alright, we have painted our doors in whatever kind of way we want. We did see when we were kind of prepping for this project that people, since it's foam core, you can actually kind of carve, like score into it to give it that like kind of wood grainy effect. I'm not gonna do that right now just because I'd have to paint.
I'm not gonna do it because of that noise.
You can if you want to. We're not going to. It would give it that like wood grainy, kind of 3D textured effect.
Mm-hmm.
But I guess you could also paint that if you wanted to, but I'm good. You good?
I'm good.
Lovely.
We've got our doorknobs painted too.
And these are just big wooden beads.
Yeah.
So you could use whatever you want, I guess. Like big funky jewelry would be fun.
Old doorknobs. I see that a lot.
It rolled, and I was worried it like rolled through my paint. Oh, old doorknobs would be really cool.
Yeah. Or
like the drawer pulls.
Yeah.
Yeah. That would be really cool. Okay. I need to like not touch it for a second.
Yeah. Well, let's put it to the side and then we can start on part 2.
Our wreaths. So get yourself a wreath. These are grapevine wreaths.
Mm-hmm.
They're like from Joann's, so you can get them all different sizes. We have seen like mini Hobbit Door Wreaths, which is super cute, if you don't want to do something quite so big. So we have some hot glue, and it is recommended to use floral wire. We also have some wire cutters instead of a scissors because just about all the silk flowers have wire stems, and it's just not fun to cut those with scissors. So, we have a variety of fun stuff.
Yeah, can you hand me that bowl behind it? That one. I'm going to start with some ivy.
Okay. So we have all sorts of like silk flowers, some birds, weird floofy things, fruit. Do you want any particular other bucket?
Not at the moment.
I'm just gonna kind of wing it and figure it out, yeah?
That's
I love these ones.
Yeah.
They just make me happy. So you're just kind of like tucking it in there
Yeah.
and then hot gluing it in place-ish?
Yeah.
Okay.
That appears
We're
to be my
trying.
master plan.
Okay. Can I have a hot glue stick, please?
Yeah. Yeah, you can.
Thank you.
Like in some places, it just like kind of neatly tucks in.
Yeah. And then I think if there's anywhere you want it to specifically rest, I'm kind of hot gluing that in place.
Yeah.
And the nice part is, the grapevine is chaotic, so it's gonna hide a lot for you too. And that's the point.
It's just gotta be pretty, not perfect.
I think that's one of the cool parts of, because we were looking at some examples of these.
Mm-hmm.
And it's just like anything goes and everything works.
Yeah.
I'm
actually gonna put together some like little bouquet type
Cute.
things.
Yes.
And then work from there. So like now I have like this little bouquet type thing that I can just tuck in.
Wherever you need it.
Yeah.
Part after you have your door painted and your wreath all decorated would be to put them together. Yeah. Our boards are a little bendy, so we might have to press those before we officially attach them, but here we'll do two helping hands.
Perfect.
Ready?
Yep.
Ta-da! Oh, sorry. Which way's the right way?
This way.
That way?
That way.
Oh my gosh, I
Ta-da!
love it.
Look how cute that is.
It's so freaking cute.
It's florally. It's got apples and birds.
Love it.
Everything you could ever want.
The green apples really pop with your green paint.
Yes.
I love that.
It's definitely part of the whimsy goth
Yes.
aesthetic.
I love it.
And
And then if you do like black lines for your door and big black dahlias like you were talking about,
Yeah.
that'd be so good.
It's gonna look so cool with
Bacon.
silver accents. Yeah, I got it.
Ooh, silver accents. Fine.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
But yeah.
Oh, it turns out so good. And that was so easy. And I guess you can make it as like tedious and time consuming and detailed, or as riotous as you want.
Yeah.
And they're hobbits, so more is more. You know,
Yeah.
so it's okay.
And the better if you can incorporate food.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to stick an orange on mine or something.
I think you need to find pieces of Hubba Bubba gum.
Oh my gosh, that
Stick
would be
in
so
yours.
funny. Yes, to go with my bright pink and blue.
Yes.
Okay, should we try to see what it looks like together?
Yeah.
I'm nervous. I don't know if everything will stay put.
We're gonna find out.
We're gonna find out. Oh, okay, I kinda got it.
Okay.
And again, it needs to like be flattened and attached. Can you see it?
Yeah. Oh, look how cute that is.
Oh,
Beautiful.
man. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so fun.
Yeah. So all of this stuff you can find around your house. You can look
use
for
what you
it.
have. You
You could
know?
even like go outside and find like pine cones and sticks
Yeah.
and acorns
All of
and
that.
like other fun stuff. So yeah, go out, have some fun, try to make your own Hobbit wreaths,
Mhm.
and have some fun with it.
And try something new, right?
Try
After all, how hard could it be?
Not that hard.
I would rate this as definitely not that hard, and
Yeah.
definitely would do again.
Yes.
Like we're probably going to have a couple seasonal Hobbit wreaths.
Oh, for sure.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us. And this is our last Trybrarian of January, so trying new things. But we will have more where we try more new things.
Yeah. We'll see you then.
Be sure to join us.
Bye.
Bye.